So, here we are, standing at this intriguing crossroads. On one side, we have the timeless teachings of sages like Alan Watts, echoing wisdom from centuries past. On the other, the digital age, an era of constant connection, virtual realities, and a pace of life that seems to have shifted into overdrive. Alan Watts, with his eloquent blend of Eastern and Western thought, often spoke of the interconnectedness of all things. But in today's digital age, what does interconnectedness even mean? Is it the myriad of virtual connections we maintain across social platforms? Or is it something deeper, more profound? Let's start by diving into one of Watts' favourite ideas. The menu is not the meal. This simple phrase carries profound implications. It speaks of the difference between representation and reality. Think about it. How often do we get lost in the digital representations of our lives? The perfectly created Instagram posts, the fleeting TikToks, the Facebook updates. These are but menus, glimpses. But where in all the noise is the real meal, the authentic experiences, the genuine emotions, the raw moments that define our existence? But hold on a second. Before we get too lost in nostalgia for a simpler time, let's just acknowledge something. The digital age, with all its complexities, brings opportunities. Opportunities for connection, for growth, for understanding. Think about the last time you had a genuine heart-to-heart conversation with someone halfway across the globe, or when you discovered a piece of music or art that touched your soul, all thanks to the internet. Yet amidst these digital wonders, Eastern philosophy offers a grounding perspective. Watts often spoke of Wu Wei, the art of effortless action, of flowing with the currents of life rather than against them. In today's context, could Wu Wei mean finding harmony with our digital tools, using them not as crutches or escapes, but extensions of our quest for understanding and connection? Imagine practicing mindfulness in a virtual reality meditation session, or finding Zen moments while listening to a podcast. The lines between the traditional and the modern blur, and maybe that's okay. Maybe the challenge isn't to choose one over the other, but to integrate, to find balance. Now let's ponder on the very nature of reality. Reality is only a Rorschach inkblot. In a world of augmented reality, AI, and digital personas, this idea takes on a whole new dimension. What does it mean to be real in an age where our virtual avatars can have lives of their own? Is reality fixed, or is it more fluid, shaped by our perceptions and experiences? Perhaps our journey isn't about finding definitive answers. Maybe it's about asking the right questions, exploring and staying curious. In this dance between the ancient and the digital, let's embrace both. Let's learn, evolve, and grow. Share your thoughts and insights down below in the comments. This isn't just my journey, it's ours. Let's embark on it together, one thought, one bite, one breath at a time.